Ever feel overwhelmed by your finances? Bank statements piled high, credit card alerts pinging, and that nagging feeling you're spending more than you make? You're not alone. Juggling finances can feel like a never-ending tightrope walk. But what if there was a tool to help you see the whole picture, a central hub for your financial well-being? That's where Mint, the personal finance app from Intuit, comes in. Now, before you click away thinking another budgeting app, hear me out. Mint goes beyond simple budgeting. It's your financial command center, offering a suite of features designed to empower you to take control of your money. So, if you're ready to ditch the financial juggling act and step into a world of clarity and control, keep watching to learn about the advantages of using Mint. The big picture in one place. Imagine this: all your bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, if you have them, and even loan details, all consolidated in one, easy-to-navigate platform. That's the magic of Mint. Gone are the days of logging into multiple apps and websites, piecing together a fragmented financial puzzle. Mint acts as your financial aggregator, bringing everything together for a holistic view of your financial health. Effortless budgeting made fun. Who says budgeting has to be a chore? Mint takes the dullness out of creating and sticking to a budget. Set spending goals for different categories, from groceries and entertainment to bills and savings. Mint automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to see where your money goes. Did you spend a little too much on that weekend getaway? No problem. Mint will alert you and help you adjust your budget accordingly. Bill pay like a boss, optional feature. Ditch the late fees and the stress of forgetting due dates. Mint offers an optional bill pay feature, allowing you to schedule and pay bills directly through the app. This streamlines your bill management process, ensuring you never miss a payment again. Keep an eye on your credit score, free. Financial health isn't just about budgeting. It's also about understanding your creditworthiness. Mint provides free credit score monitoring, allowing you to track your credit score over time and identify areas for improvement. This valuable feature empowers you to make informed financial decisions, like securing loans or applying for new credit cards with better rates. Set goals and celebrate milestones. We all have financial aspirations, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund. Mint allows you to set personalized goals and track your progress. Witnessing your progress visually is incredibly motivating, keeping you on track and celebrating those financial milestones along the way. Security you can trust. Let's face it, security is a top concern when it comes to our finances. Mint utilizes robust security measures, including multi-factor authentication and industry-standard data encryption, to keep your financial information safe and secure. Mint, is it right for you? Mint is an excellent tool for anyone looking to gain control of their finances. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just starting your financial journey, Mint offers a user-friendly platform with features to empower you at every stage. The free version provides a wealth of functionalities, and there's even an optional premium version with additional features for those who want a more comprehensive experience. Remember, taking charge of your finances is an empowering journey. Mint can be your trusted companion on that path. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.